Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you are new here, hi, welcome. Here you will find everything art, oil paints, and polymer clay specifically. So I also post a little bit of life on here as well, just because I think it's fun, mixes it up a little bit. And I like to take you guys along with me. So as you can see, the setting is a little bit different. We are outside right now on my parents' porch. Just because the weather is beautiful out here. It's supposed to thunder, so if you could see out there, it's supposed to thunder. So I want to get as much in as I can before it storms again. If you hear any hissing or snarling in the background, that's the outdoor cats right there. We have a kitten. He's running around here somewhere. She doesn't like him, so we're working with that. We're working on that. He literally just showed up out of nowhere. He is really cute though, so yeah. If he comes around here, I don't know if you could hear her. If he comes around, oh, hey buddy, hey. He's literally so cute. He's the cutest. But yeah, so today we are working with polymer clay. I got an order in. If you don't know, I still do polymer clay badge reels. I don't advertise it as much as I used to, which I do want to change because I do like working with oil paints and also polymer clay. So if you are interested in that, you can head on over to my Etsy page, which is linked in the bio. I have pre-made designs, but you can customize the color of like the background and also the sorry, the kitten distracted me. He was like, he's trying to jump off the porch. So the design itself is preset, but you can customize the colors. This person specifically requested a white background with pink daisies. So that is what we're going to work with. And I'm going to use my scrap polymer clay because I really need to use these up. As you can see, it's like a whole little tub full. I'm gonna put that right there. I think a big misconception with polymer clay is that you need like all these fancy little tools. You honestly don't. These are the three like tools that I'm using besides the little impression things that I got off Etsy. But like tool wise, these are what I'm using. Just three. It's a long cutter that I got this off Amazon in a set. I think this little spatula scraper thing, which originally I got for my air dry clay, but I also like to use it for my polymer clay. And then you're gonna need some sort of rolling tool. If you want to use your kitchen rolling pin, go ahead. You could also use a bottle of some sort or a jar. I just have this rolling pin, which I believe came in a set with this scraper. I could be wrong. But if anything, you can order this separately. And then I just have a cookie pan sheet that I designated specifically for my polymer clay. If you're going to use a kitchen cookie sheet for your polymer clay, just make sure you designate that cookie sheet specifically only for polymer clay, just because you don't want to risk like contaminating anything or accidentally eating polymer clay or polymer clay residue. Just to be safe, designate it only for your polymer clay. That's really oh, and I did want to show this in detail. So if you could see, I got this off Etsy again. It's like a flower impression, and this is what I use for my badge reels because I put flowers on my badge reels for this specific design. And this is so easy. It comes with the impression and then also the cutter. So you first use the cutter to cut your polymer clay, and then you take that clay piece, whatever you cut, you put it on here, the flower side, and then you just smush it together, and then when you open it, you have a beautiful little flower. So yeah, this is everything I'm going to use. Okay guys, so just finished the badge reel. It's not baked yet, but this is what it looks like. Get a little bit closer if my camera will focus. But yeah, thank you so much for coming along and for making a badge reel with me. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, comment below. Yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!